You're just starting as a beginner, you really do not have an idea of what should go on first before your foundation. Hi guys, welcome back. On today's makeup tutorial for beginners, I'm going to show you how to basically apply your essential basic skincare routine before your foundation. So if you are interested, keep on watching and I'll see you guys in this tutorial. That makes me look at you too out there. Baby, the first step to your makeup application is your skincare. Skincare routine is going to be your foundation for your makeup. It's going to be what will determine how your makeup will last on your skin. So in this tutorial, I am making use of these two products. These are your basic skincare routine if you are somebody that is just starting to venture into the makeup world. I'm going to be going ahead to use this. So if you need to first of all check what your skin type is. I'm going to be leaving a link to my previous video. I explained everything that has to do with how to know what your skin type is, how to do your skincare, your makeup and all that good stuff. If you are somebody that have oil on your skin, maybe you have combination or you have oily skin, you want to get a cleanser that has a foaming base. This is going to help you to get off any build up sebum, any oily or greasiness that you have on your face. Just give you that fresh clean surface. And if you're somebody that have a dry skin, you want to look for a cleanser that has a creamy base. So guys, I'm going to be using this one here, and this is from Tea Tree Foaming Face Wash. I am using this one because this is what I've been using and it's been working well for me. So this is how it looks. I'm going to work this really well into my skin. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this out and I'll be right. So guys, after washing off my face, this is how it looks. I don't usually dry my face. Then the next step, which is going to be the final step, guys, basically is going to be a moisturizer, and this is from Simple Replenishing Rich Moisturizer. While my face is still damp, I'm going to work this moisturizer. I'm going to use a Vaseline on my lips. This is going to help moisturize the lips in preparation for the lip stain or lipstick you're going to be applying to avoid any form of dryness or chapped lips. And this is all you need to do, guys. Let me know, guys, if this was helpful down in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. If it's something